Hi, today we're going to be talking about how to assemble the beautiful SwiftyIXI. As always, you're going to need something sharp to cut the straps to the box. I'm using a scalpel blade, but you can use a kitchen knife or a pair of scissors, which is even better. Please take care when you're doing it and always stay safe. So when you've cut the straps to the box, there are 4 staples here. If you just get your fingers in and just give it a good pull, it should open up. So you can see what's inside. The great news is that the SwiftyIXI is pretty much fully assembled. All you have to do really is take everything out of the box, put the handlebars on, which I'm going to show you now. When you're taking it out, be really careful as you're taking it out. Just take the bits out bit by bit. I'm going to lie it flat on the table so that you can see, but if you just give it a good pull like that, you'll see everything all come out. Ta-da! One way to assemble it is to put the box back on the table. You could use a stack of books if you wanted to, but if you don't have that, you can use the box and you can just put it on like so, and it gives you a nice platform to work on. I'm not going to do that though. So remove all the packaging. Okay, so inside the box here is the handlebar. So if you just cut that bit of tape, that's where the instructions are with some tools, some Allen keys. You'll need some of those in a minute. There's a handlebar. For now, all you need to do is literally pop the handlebar straight inside there, and it should slot into place. As you can see, it's really easy to assemble the SwiftyIXI. Mud guards are all on. Obviously the tires, we never ship tires with inflated tires, so you're going to have to inflate them yourself. With this particular model, we recommend about 30 to 35 PSI, but also read the assembly guides, which will give you the up-to-date information. Inside the box, you get a wheel tool and you get 2 Allen keys. Okay. Remove the packaging from the handlebars. So to finish off the assembly, there's only really one thing you need to do, and that's to use the 5mm Allen key to tighten the 2 bolts that are on the side. If you check the 2 lower bolts as well, just to make sure that they're tight as well, then everything will be good. The brakes have been pre-installed, everything else is done, so you literally just have to tighten those 2 bolts. So take your Allen key, get the steering all nice and straight. It'd be better if you're stood from above to check that the alignment is all correct. That's about right. And then tighten these up. Check the bottom one as well. As you tighten the bolts, the bottom ones will, as it clamps together, will become loose, so make sure you check all of them. The bottom ones have been tightened in assembly to keep the fork and the headset all aligned. Pump the tyres up, then give it a once-over check just to make sure that everything is working correctly. Make sure the brakes are pulling correctly. If you're a UK customer, then the front brake needs to be on the right-hand side. If you're a customer in the EU, then it's the opposite way around. So just make sure that the brakes have been set up correctly as per your country. Once you've assembled your SwiftyIXI and your lucky little one is going to go out for a ride, remember you can extend the height of the handlebar by undoing the quick release and pulling this up and down. Please observe the minimum insert level as shown in the instructions. And also, if you want to, you can in theory flip this stem upside down. It's absolutely fine to do that. It'll give you an extra 10 or 15 millimeters of height. If you need even more height than that, then we can even change the handlebar, because we use standard bicycle componentry sizes, so everything's always upgradable. And you're good to go. That's all you need to do. You're ready to rock and roll.